Ano ba? Are you coming with me? This is edible. Cher's gonna try it. I know. Rate it.
Parang grass.
Magpitas ka na lang. Tapos kainin mo.
Hoy, bakit isa lang?
Patay ko lang.
Oh my God.
Gusto ko maniwala diyan edible.
Taste test.
With flour.
No.
No thanks.
Kasang ice cream. Yummy.
Sarap.
O, baon mo na for dinner.
Real little baby.
Wag! Kasi yung hair design ko.
Huh?
Isang dad ko, pinapatahi niya ako mga siya niyang clothes.
Binabayaran nila ako.
Ako hindi. Tapos nakatambak na yun for mga 3 weeks. Retired na ako. Retired sewer student. I'm a fashion business girly. What can you say my co-fashion business girly do?
2 times 2? 4.
Kaya ko na, Pat. Si Pat order ng order, hindi mo naka. Picture. Bumaba pa